guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us, I'm Julie E, and this is Art by Julie E. And no, this is not deja vu. It is a re-uploaded version of the original alcohol ink sunflower that I did back in August as part of a Patreon challenge that I am privileged to be a part of. It is the Sunbright Art Lab, and it's so much fun. If you get a chance, you have the means, please sign up for the Patreon group. We have so much fun in there, and yeah, everybody's just wonderful and sweet and helpful. If you got a question, man, you're gonna get answers. If you need help with something, somebody's gonna be there to reach out, and it's really sweet. I love it. And yeah, the original video, well, it had a bunch of copyright strikes due to the music I had used, and when I tried to replace that music, then my voiceovers all disappeared, and it was just a cluster. So here we go again, releasing it all over again. And yeah, what I did is I put down a Dixie cup, I put down some alcohol inks around the outer edge of the Dixie cup. What that did is it gave me a little bit of a reference point to try and hold a circle of where I wanted to start my my flower petals and have my main circle. So if you fudge it up a little bit, it's okay, because it all gets erased and removed everything. So, and I use watercolor brushes. I like the watercolor brushes. They're really easy. You just fill the tips with alcohol instead of water, and it helps me immensely to move the inks where I want them, get the shadings, the depths, and everything that I want without having to try and put the alcohol directly on the paper and having that puddle out and stuff like this. I just feel like I get a lot more control doing it this way with these types of brushes than with, like, say, a little fluid art palette thing where you put your drops into and then a little bit of alcohol and then dip a regular paintbrush in and stuff. I find these much easier to use, control, and clean. Very easy to clean too. Just give them a squeeze, push some alcohol out, and rub them around on some clean paper towels, and boom, the brush tips are clean and very easy. We're going to fast forward it here. I'm going to put on some music. If there are any questions that aren't answered in the description of this video, please leave them down in the comments. I will try to get back to you and answer all those questions. And yeah, if you haven't done the YubiTubi things like the likey, subscribey, and sharing, I urge you to do so, because it helps me out a lot and it costs you nothing. And I also have a link to everyone else's videos that were in this Patreon group collaboration for Sunbright Art Lab, and that'll be in the description too. And yeah, I'll see you at the end of this. Okay. Here it is, all done, or is it? That's the wonderful thing about alcohol inks. You can always go back and change things until you seal it, and even then, it's not a given that it's always done. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.